everybody, and welcome to Soul Wonderland. I am your host, Soul, and today we'll be taking a look inside of My Hero Academia Season 1 on Blu-ray. So there's the cover, the spine, the back, and the other spine. Take the slipcover off. There you go. And then when you open up, you get like graffiti art on this side. And then you get episodes 1 through 7 on the DVD. And then 8 through 13 on the other DVD. And then you got episodes 1 through 9 on the Blu-rays. And then 10 through 13 in extras. And then you even get a bonus extra disc. So that has been My Hero Academia Season 1 on Blu-ray. Thank you and have a wonderful day.